Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvonne Okeke, and if you're new here, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button below, and also do as well to like this video if this video helped you out with anything. As you can see, I'm about to jhericurl my natural hair. As you can see, that is it when it's in the lowest shrinkage, or rather when it's combed out of its shrinkage. I'm so scared of what I'm about to do, but I really hope it turns out well. See you guys. Guys, one thing you should know about this is that it smells really bad, but I've already started seeing my hair like curling. Okay, so what exactly is going on here? It was at this point I had to ask myself, what's going on with my hair? Because I need you guys to see what's going on with my hair. Like you can really see that. Okay, yeah, truly you can see some little curls, but then you can barely even say I actually put something on my hair. You could actually feel it was my natural hair product, like maybe a leave-in conditioner or something. I really don't get what's happening, but let's keep going. So apparently this is what it's looking like, and if you can look really close, you can see that the ends are coily, but the roots are so just like my natural hair. So I just started asking, and I started wondering. At that point I started complaining to him, and I started telling him maybe he did something wrong, maybe he didn't put something, because I've actually watched YouTube videos on how people change their natural hair into jhericurl. So it wasn't even like, okay, he used the product and then some few steps he followed and some other few. So right now this is where everything went wrong. So what kind of rollers is it? Actually called jhericurl, and then they have curly Perm, and they also have the rod for it. So what exactly am I carrying on my hair? Like, if you can look at me, you can sense that I'm actually tired. I'm wondering, what exactly am I doing here, and who actually sent me? Like, who sent me to do this into my hair? Who actually asked me to do this into my hair? I was kind of wondering, what exactly am I going to do after this, because you can see that it is not going to work with this kind of rollers he used on me. I was kind of wondering, but oh well, let's just use the pretty face to console ourselves.
You can't do it. Say you can't do it. Do you understand? You can't just come and tell me, okay, fine, you can do it. I'm going to like the engine. I sat down from 10. And what's the time now? It's 3 o'clock. And this is what I came out with. This is what I came out with as jhericurl. Can you imagine? Actually, apparently I want to cut my hair off.
Why?
I just want to cut it off because I don't know what this nonsense I'm carrying on my hair is.
Guys, apparently I am really tired and I don't know what to do next. maybe I need some space and a while to think about how I'm going to go about my natural hair. Maybe I'll cut it, or maybe I just have to carry it like this. I don't know, but then I'll get back to you guys whenever I make a decision. And just, I hope you guys will pray for me so I don't make the worst decision as I've made as this one is now. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have subscribed to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys have liked. I hope you guys have also shared this video so you can help whosoever that needs it or whosoever that wants it. See you guys next time. Bye.